Welcome back to Promptify. Whether you're prepping for exams, struggling with homework, or just looking for a smarter way to study, you're in the right place. Hey, we're diving into 10 powerful ChatGPT prompts designed to help students study efficiently, write better essays, and ace their exams with ease. These AI-powered prompts will not only save you time, but also boost your productivity. Let's jump in. Before we begin, remember, AI is a tool, but practice makes perfect. The key to success is applying these prompts to your studies, experimenting with different approaches, and adapting them to your learning style. Drop a comment below with your academic challenges, and we'll create custom prompts tailored just for you. Promptify's goal is to equip you with the best AI-driven study techniques. 1. Study guides. Master any subject. Prompt: create a detailed study guide for subject topic with key concepts, examples, and practice questions. Use this to break down complex subjects into manageable parts and prepare effectively for exams. 2. Essay writing. Structure like a pro. Prompt: write a 500-word essay on topic with an introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. AI helps organize your thoughts and improve your writing without plagiarism. 3. Math problem solving. Step-by-step solutions. Prompt: solve this math problem step by step. Insert problem. Perfect for breaking down algebra, calculus, or even physics equations in a clear, structured way. 4. Flashcards. Memorize smarter. Prompt: generate 10 flashcards for topic, with questions on one side and answers on the other. Great for quick revision before exams. 5. Summarize long texts. Save time on readings. Prompt: summarize this chapter, article in 200 words. Insert text. Get concise summaries for better comprehension without reading entire chapters. 6. Time management. Optimize your study routine. Prompt: create a weekly study schedule for subject with dedicated time slots for each topic. Avoid cramming and plan smarter for success. 7. Presentation. Outlines. Speak with confidence. Prompt: outline a 5-minute presentation on topic with key points and examples. AI helps structure engaging presentations and speeches with ease. 8. Research assistance. Find credible sources. Prompt: suggest 5 reliable sources for a research paper on topic. Skip unreliable sites and get credible references instantly. 9. Language learning. Expand your skills. Prompt: translate this paragraph into language. Insert text. Great for practicing new languages and improving communication skills. 10th motivation. Boost. Stay inspired. Prompt: write a motivational message to help me stay focused while studying. AI-generated study motivation can keep you on track during tough academic times. And there you have it, 10 AI-powered prompts to help students study smarter, write better, and ace their exams. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI-powered education tips. Coming next, get ready for AI prompts for engineering, medicine, chemical research, photography, art, movies, and advanced image generation with negative prompts. So stay tuned. Exciting things are on the way. Thanks for watching Promptify, and I'll see you in the next one.